step into the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include universal garage door opener, rear AC, front head airbag, ABS, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, leather seats, and variable speed intermittent wipers. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.